latest Uthando Nesthembu episode had us all screaming at our screens. Musa Mseleku did something unexpected. He called Mangwabe's son Simphiwe to the stage in front of everyone. And let me tell you, Mangwabe's reaction, shocked. But here's the real tea. Is Musa doing this as a way to beg Mangwabe to stay? Let's get into it. Okay, let's rewind. We all know that Mangwabe has been distant from Musa lately. Rumors have been flying that she might leave the marriage. And honestly, she has been shy about showing her frustrations. And one major issue, Simphiwe, Mangwabe's son, who was born before she married Musa. And for the longest time, there were rumors that he wasn't fully accepted in Mseleku's home. That's why this moment is so crazy. As Musa stood up and said, "Welcome, please, let me introduce to you Simphiwe, my son." I caught. Wait. Since when, Musa? Since when has Simphiwe been your son? Because the last time we checked, things weren't so smooth between you and Mangwabe about this. And let's talk about Mangwabe's reaction. Wow, you can even see it in the picture that I attached. She looked completely shocked. Like, you could see she did not expect Musa to pull this move in front of everyone. The guests were also shook. But let's be real. This moment felt more like a damage control than a genuine family bonding. Is Musa finally acknowledging Simphiwe because he truly wants to, or is just trying to stop Mangwabe from leaving? And Simphiwe, this young kid, handled it with so much respect. Even though you could tell he wasn't expecting it, he greeted the guests like a true gentleman. But you have to wonder, did he even know this was going to happen, or he was just as surprised as Mangwabe? Now, this is where it gets interesting. After the initial shock, Mangwabe's expression changed, almost like she was thinking, is Musa really trying to win me over this? Guys, I need to hear your thought on this one. Was it a genuine moment from the love from Musa, or was it a desperate move to keep Mangwabe in the marriage? And do you think Mangwabe is buying it? Let's talk about it in the comments below. If you love Uthando Nesthembu, hit the like button, subscribe for more updates, analysis, and juicy recaps. Until next time, stay messy. Stay blessed. Bye. Guys, I'm sorry for the video where it went blank and dark. I'm not sure what was happening. I think my screen locked while I was doing my voiceover. I'm sorry about that. But please do enjoy the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. What are your thoughts concerning Musa introducing Simphiwe? Do you think it's a right move? Do you think it will let Mangwabe to stay in the marriage? Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, may you please subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to press the notification button for more views. I'm sorry, I'm still trying to learn to speak confidently and eloquently, but I'm improving. I'll keep on improving, guys, so that my content is quality and it brings you out the best news in an eloquent way and in a good way. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. See you on the next one. Bye.